walking solitary on a path. When I think about my present state, I feel depressed. My physical body is here, but my mind is somewhere pondering. A question arises. Who am I? Why am I here? What am I supposed to do? There are times when I feel that I am all alone, that maybe nobody can even understand me.
Ramneet, when you're like 11 and 12, right, you have a real urge that when you grow up, you fantasize your teenage dreams, getting money, getting pocket money and lot to spend, roaming us. So how did, you went through that phase. So how did you, really thought during that phase?
Because like when I was in my age of 12, I used to think that when I will be in the teenager, I'll get my own personal phone, I'll have my own freedom, my own space, and I'll get some money to spend on me or not my parents. I'm not dependent on my parents. But seriously, when we step in the age of teenage, it's actually not the thing which we used to take in our mind that we'll get money and all that stuff. We actually, I think, we like take our problems on our own, and we create our problems on our own. It's not created by someone else. We create it on our own.
I am sailing on a boat all alone, and waves are rising up. I am scared that I might drown, that there won't be any helping hand for me. When I try to speak, I feel shortage of words. I try to explain, but these tears, these damp tears, just roll down my eyes, and a lump forms in my throat. I have n number of questions, but my answer sheet is blank. What to do, what not to do. I think about the past and regret. I think about the present, I surrender. I think about the future, I fear. Their expectational eyes, needy shoulders, and hands always ask me to join. There is always an invisible bag full of stones on my back. We know about the building, but don't know how to join the blocks.
That tension when it builds up, it gives a little stress. There's a kind of misunderstanding. So how do you handle that stress? Where do you take it out?
सिंपलेस्ट वे फॉर मी इज़ कि मैं या तो म्यूज़िक सुनती हूँ, लाइट म्यूज़िक, जो मेरे को जो भी होता है परेशानियाँ या जो भी फाइट्स वगैरह होती हैं उससे मेरे को बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर देती हैं. एंड आई जस्ट, मैं पूरा म्यूज़िक में इतना खो जाती हूँ कि मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में आता कि कुछ हुआ भी था. एंड आई जस्ट फॉरगेट ऑल अबाउट दैट स्टफ. एंड ऑल्सो समटाइम्स आई रीड नॉवेल्स, और वो भी मुझे काफ़ी हद तक मेरे को चिल आउट कर देती है.
When you become a teenager, you all get a phone. That's the main part of being a teenager. You get a personal cell phone. You got to talk to your friends. So, and you both use only one cell phone. One cell phone and two girls. Well, it's really hard. So how do you manage, with one phone?
Actually, it's kind of really cool with us. We always share with each other things like clothes, everything. So it's not a problem for us. We sometimes give it for, like, we have hours between. Like, she'll get it for an hour, I'll get it for an hour. But if I need the phone, I'll get it. She needs the phone, she'll get it.
Okay. And now that you two are companions, right? You live together, you eat together, you spend most of the time together. So how do you, calm each other down when, like, she gets hyper, you calm her down, right? Yeah. So how do you, control her stress? How do you help each other coping up with stress?
We actually let down things, we talk to each other, and we find that let the other person speak and let the other person listen. The listening part is the hardest part, but we have to do it because it releases all the stress and the panic and everything, that anger and everything goes out. When you speak and the other person listens to you, that part is the hardest, but it makes everything easier.
When there is a night full of worries, there is a day full of hopeful rays. Together, problems can be solved. Facing roadblocks with a smile and trying to break the chain of stress can help us in climbing any mountain. Believe in yourself and flap the wings of happiness.